Java is a powerful, high-level programming language that has revolutionized software development. Today, we'll explore what makes Java special and how to set up your development environment. Java is a high-level, object-oriented programming language designed for maximum portability. Its key principle is write once, run anywhere, meaning Java code can run on any platform that supports Java without modification. Here's how the write once, run anywhere principle works. Java source code is compiled into platform-independent bytecode, which can then run on any system with a Java virtual machine installed. To develop Java applications, you need the Java Development Kit, or JDK. You have two main options: Oracle JDK, which requires a commercial license for production use, or OpenJDK, which is free and open source. Installation is straightforward. Download the appropriate installer for your operating system, run it, and follow the installation prompts. Make sure to note the installation directory path, as you'll need it for environment setup. After installing the JDK, you need to set up environment variables. Java Home should point to your JDK installation directory, and you should add the JDK's bin directory to your system's path variable. For Java development, you'll want an integrated development environment, or IDE. Popular choices include IntelliJ IDEA for professional development, Eclipse as a free and extensible option, or VS Code with the Java extension for a lightweight solution. Finally, verify your installation by opening a terminal or command prompt. Type java-version to check the Java runtime and javac version to verify the Java compiler. Both commands should display version information, confirming your setup is complete. Congratulations! You now have a complete Java development environment set up and ready for programming. You're prepared to start writing and running Java applications. Java programming begins with understanding the fundamental structure of a Java program. Every Java program starts with a class, which serves as a blueprint for creating objects. Here's the classic Hello World program that demonstrates the basic structure. We define a class called main, which contains the main method, the entry point where program execution begins. Java is a strongly typed language, which means every variable must have a declared data type. Java provides several primitive data types for different kinds of data. The most commonly used primitive types include int for whole numbers, double for decimal numbers, Boolean for true or false values, and char for single characters. Let's see how to declare variables with these types. Control flow statements allow your program to make decisions and repeat actions. The if-else statement is fundamental for conditional execution based on Boolean expressions. Here's a practical example of an if-else statement that checks if someone is an adult based on their age. The condition is evaluated, and different code blocks execute depending on whether it's true or false. Loops allow you to repeat code multiple times. Java provides several types of loops, including for loops, while loops, and do-while loops. Each has its specific use cases. The for loop is ideal when you know how many times you want to repeat something. It includes initialization, condition checking, and increment all in one line, making it very compact and readable. The do-while loop is unique because it executes the code block at least once before checking the condition. This is useful when you need to ensure the loop body runs at least one time. Every class in Java inherits from the object class, which provides fundamental methods that all objects can use. Understanding these methods is important for effective Java programming. Key methods include toString for string representation, equals for object comparison, hashcode for hash-based collections, and getClass for runtime type information. These form the foundation of object-oriented programming in Java. These fundamental concepts, classes, data types, variables, control flow, and object methods, form the building blocks of Java programming. Practice writing simple programs using these concepts to strengthen your understanding.